Welcome everyone. Today I'm filming the first video for my YouTube channel. It's my way to say thank you to everyone who follows my work, and I want to let you guys see the backstage where everything happens. And I thought, what a better way to start than to introduce myself to those who don't know me. My name is Paulo, I'm 44 years old. I'm from Portugal. I have my workshop in the heart of Portugal in a small town called Mind, near Fatima, for those who are wondering. And I'm completely obsessed with guitar making. I love this from the start to finish. And here what makes my guitars unique, I think, is their design. Not just the way they look, but the way they are designed to produce and a certain sound and to respond to musicians' needs. They are a blend of design and little mods that I create to give musicians a very wide tone range. The most satisfying thing for me is to see a musician using the instrument and creating something new with the instrument, allowing the instrument to take them somewhere they haven't been before. So, in a more selfish way, I am trying to create a brand from a small town in Portugal all the way to become recognizable worldwide, not by everyone but by the fellow musicians that follow the boutique guitar scene. So yes, that would be a big business milestone to get that sort of recognition from players. What do I enjoy the most about making guitars? You know, right now I have a CNC and I have more tools. When I started making guitars, I was doing them mostly by hand, and I really enjoyed the whole neck carving process. Nowadays, I think the thing that I love the most about building an instrument, it's actually the design phase, starting to imagine what the instrument will look like, what will give in tone and playability. All the initial phase of design is something that I really love, and then I have the privilege to make that design come to life. So yeah, I think that's the part I like the most about making guitars. I like the process of working wood and all those things, but I think the design phase still carries a sweet spot in my heart. If you're gonna do it like I do it in a one-man shop style, then you should know you're gonna be spending a lot of hours alone, and it really helps if you are at peace with yourself, if you are in a happy place, because if you're not, when you spend a lot of hours daily working by yourself, it's going to feel like shit. So first of all, get yourself fixed, then think about making guitars, because you're gonna be spending a lot of hours sanding, a lot of hours doing this, and a lot of hours doing fretwork, and you have yourself as a company, so make sure you're a good company to yourself. And what's next with Futone Guitars? Well, two things I think I can mention is one, the YouTube channel and the production of content in a more regular base, And the second one is that doing that I have some new models coming up, and you will be having a first look at the models and the building and the design and the philosophy behind them. So I think those are good reasons to keep an eye out. Well, that's it for the first episode. If you have specific questions or something like that, drop them in the comments, and till the next video. Thank you and have a nice one.